smiled cheerfully, making the children giggle. B for balloon, colorful balloons floated above the carriages, bouncing lightly as if dancing to the music of the classroom. C for cat, a fluffy orange cat sat on a soft cloud, playfully pawing at a butterfly. D for dolphin, leaped gracefully from a magical water bubble, splashing sparkles everywhere. E for elephant, a tiny adorable elephant blew rainbow-colored water from its trunk, surprising the children in the back carriage. F for fairy, a glowing tiny fairy sprinkled shimmering magical dust all around, lighting up the train. G for garden, a colorful garden full of flowers and fluttering butterflies grew beside the track, filling the classroom with beauty. H for house, a cozy cartoon house stood beside the train, with smoke curling from the chimney and cheerful birds on the roof. I for igloo, a bright icy blue igloo with playful penguins sliding down tiny ice slides. J for jellyfish floated inside magical translucent bubbles, glowing with neon colors that fascinated the children. K for kite soared high above, streaming vibrant ribbons that twirled in the golden sunlight. L for lion, a happy lion with a golden mane sat proudly, waving its paw to all the children. M for moon, a soft crescent moon hovered gently above, casting a dreamy silver light on the train. N for nest, a cozy nest with tiny baby birds chirping and peeking curiously. O for orange, a shiny juicy orange sparkled under the sunlight, surrounded by floating magical glitter. P for pirate ship, a tiny cartoon pirate ship with waving flags sailed nearby, adding adventure to the scene. Q for queen, a cheerful queen in a golden carriage waved happily, her crown sparkling in the sunlight. R for rainbow, a huge bright rainbow arched magically over the train, reflecting beauty